Hello, I chose the getepic.com website for my application presentation. As you can see, I signed up for my son, and he does like to read on Epic. He said that the technology way is better for him. Anyway, so as you can see, there's different books down here based on their preferences that they like. I think the first book that he would like to read would be this Rescue Animals and Friends. And as you can see, you can click in to the book, and you can flip the pages, and it also will allow you to read aloud. I think they have that option. Yep, it's where you can read. It can be read to them. That way they can follow along. So again, it's www.getepic.com, and I feel like this is a good website, and we can carry that into us as educators, and we can monitor our students on this website and see how far they have come. And I think we should all check it out.